All right, welcome everyone. I'm going to walk you through how I converted my X token to USDT. And I need to say this before any other thing, that this price will actually fluctuate over time. In fact, you get to the point where you want to convert and you see a different price. So don't be surprised. This is actually normal. All you just have to do is you have to just be patient for the price to actually go to the side that favor you before you click on the sell button, before you sell your X token off to USDT. All right, so I'm going to show you different demonstration of how the price has fluctuated over time. You can see the balance on screen. You see that this has been fluctuating over and over. And when I come to spot trading and I try to sell my USDT, you can see I will be having 15.79. Before now I had 19 point something, and the price actually dropped to 15. And you can see 15 on the screen. And I'm not going to settle for that particular price, so I'm just going to wait till this kind of pop up a bit and I will sell it off, because the price has been dropping constantly and fluctuating over and over. So I actually don't want to get a dust at the end of the day. Yeah, X Empire actually fucked up in terms of what it distributed. If you have paid 0.5 ton to be able to claim this airdrop and you're having this cheat, it's not worth it. Like, and that is why I do advise that most of the airdrop that actually pay more are not airdrop that require that you tap. You stress your hand, you stress yourself, you use your time. In fact, sometimes you have to pay some crypto assets rather, for you to be able to get these tokens. And at the end of the day, you're getting dust. So you don't want to waste your time on this. So let me just dive in and show you how to go about converting these to USDT, then how you can go on to sell it to whatever currency you want to sell it to. Alright, so from your home page, click on Spot at the bottom corner and bottom tab and search for X/USDT. Then draw the slider to the full, just like I've did if you want to sell everything, and you can see the sell button, but you can see the price is not really favorable. So I'll just skip to the part whereby I have a price that I want to actually sell. Okay,